Let us have a look at the e-invoicing solution created for the KSA ZATCA invoicing system. Once we log in into the SAP system, we can just put in our transaction code ZEINV to start with. Once the transaction is executed, as you can see, the solution provides functionalities for the sales invoices generated by the SD route, the sales invoices generated by the finance route, along with the sales invoices generated by the real estate solution, which are categorized into RESR or RV invoices and REPP invoices. So we will now start by looking at the sales invoices through SD route first. Here we give the sales selection options like billing type, billing document, reference, the billing date range, and the plant code. We will first start by going through the data based on the billing date range. So we select a date range and we press the execute button. As we can see, we get the complete list of the invoices which have multiple statuses like generated, errors, pending, along with the PDF and the XML file download options for all the invoices for which the ZATCA invoice number has been generated. The data in the columns has been filled as per the rules as specified in the ZATCA provided data dictionary. As we can see, the columns like the standardized invoice, the simplified invoice, the original invoice number in case of credit notes and debit notes are filled in. Now if we go back to the start of the table data and we pick a invoice number to see the further details, here we can put the billing document number and execute this transaction. Once we go into the details, we can just double click on any field in the column and we can see the line item details as well. So first we will focus on finding out what are the values that are put in for this particular invoice. Now we will just double click on the line and here we can see all the line item data related to this particular invoice like item price, the item amount without tax, the tax values, and the total line item value, which in turn becomes the total invoice number for our e-invoicing purpose. Here we select the checkbox and press the generate button or refresh button, or even we can remove this data from the database for recalculations. Once we put in the generate button, the option of PDF download and XML download comes in. Here we can just double click on the XML print icon and the XML file will be visible to us. And we can see the complete details of the XML file by scrolling down and finding out all the values. Now after the XML file, we will just click on the Adobe icon and look at the printout also. The PDF as visible on the screen contains the data in Arabic as well as in English language. Now once we have seen the PDF, as per the ZATCA compliance, we can look at the option of downloading the PDF with XML file embedded in it. So we just go to the options and we save the attachment on our system by the name of our choosing. We just have to put in the extension of the file as XML. Now we can go to our destination folder and open that particular file with the Internet Explorer or a Chrome browser, and we can see that once the file opens up, it is the XML file for that particular PDF.